tornado emergency for Genesee County. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for Genesee County in southeastern Michigan, southwestern Tuscola County in southeastern Michigan, northwestern Lapeer County in southeastern Michigan, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Swartz Creek, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Genesee County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include BULLETIN, Tuscola, Vassar, Otter Lake, Otisville, Cleo, Davison, Flint, Mount Morris, Beecher, Flushing, Swartz Creek, Burton, Grand Blanc, Fostoria, Columbiaville, North Branch, and Elba. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.